Hello everyone, welcome back to my Vedic maths class on the channel World of Maths of Science by Reena. Here I am going to take the part 3 of the crisscross method. Here I am going to explain the multiplication of higher order numbers, how to multiply 4-digit number with other 4-digit number. It is very simple as earlier two methods. It involves total 7 steps. I cross I method. Pay attention and learn this method. So first of all, these stars represents the 4 digits 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is I formation and cross formation. In the next step, third step, there is cross formation and the I formation. The fourth step is different. In this there is not any I formation. This cross formation between these two digits, and this cross formation between these two digits, and this cross formation between these digits. In the fifth step, there is a cross multiplication between two digits. There is a cross multiplication between these two digits, and there is an I formation between two digits. Then again there is a cross formation here. In the sixth step there is a cross formation here, and in the last step there is a I formation. So total 7 steps includes in the crisscross method of multiplication of higher order numbers, which is 4-digit number with other 4-digit number. If you listen carefully and understand each step, you will become the master of crisscross method, which is a part of Vedic maths. Let's consider one example of multiplication of 4-digit number with other 4-digit number. So follow the usual crisscross method. Example is 2104, which is multiplied by 3072. The answer comes out to be 646348. I will follow all the 7 steps in how this answer come. So starting with step 1, which is I formation. 2 into 4 comes out to be 8. Then 7 into 4 comes out to be 28. 0 into 2, this cross is 0. When we add 28 plus 0, it is equals to 28. Here I have written 8, not 2. Why? This 2 comes as carry over the other number. In the third step, I am multiplying cross 0 into 4, then I formation 0 into 7, and then again cross 1 into 2. Here as I have written 1 into 2. So 0 into 4 comes out to be 0. 0 into 7 comes out to be 0. 1 into 2 comes out to be 2. So there is one carry over. I will add this carry over plus 2 carry over. Then what the answer comes out to be? 2 plus 2 is 4. I will repeat this step again. Let's see carefully. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 7 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2. And there is a carry over 2. I have written 2 carry over in the third step. This carry over is added in third step. So 2 plus 2 carry over comes out to be 4. Next step is 4. In this step, what we have to do? 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Then I have written 3 into 4. 0 into 0. I have written 0 into 0. 7 into 1. I have written 7 into 1. 2 into 2. It comes out to be 2 into 2. When we solve these all numbers, 3 fours are 12. 0 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 2 into 2, 4. When we add these numbers, 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 plus 7 comes out to be 19. 19 plus 4 comes out to be 23. Then again here is the carry over 2. I have written here carry over 2. We have to take only single digit. After whatever number comes in every step, we have to consider the last digit, and the front digit, which is tens place, is termed as the carry over number, which is considered in the next step, which is fifth step. In the fifth step, we will add this carry over, which is to carry over. Hope you understand the step D. I will explain once more the step D. 3 into 4 comes out to be 12. Then again cross. 0 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7 into 1, 7. Then 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4. When we solve this equation and add on these numbers, 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. Here comes out to be 23, which is a 2-digit number. We have to take the last digit, as I have written the last digit. And this 2 is carry over to the next number. I have written here 2 carry over. This 2 carry over will be added in the step 5. So the step 5 comes out to be, again we will use the same I cross I method. In this method, in the step 5, I have written 3 into 0. 3 into 0. 3 into 0 plus 0 into 1. I formation. First cross, then I formation, 0 into 1. Then again cross. So 7 into 2. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 7 2s are 14. Plus 2 carried over of the step 4. Step 4 का जो carry over number है, I have taken here the 2 carried over number here. Okay. So when we add 14 plus 2, it comes out to be 16. 16. Again, I have written the last digit number, not 1. 1 is again the carry over, which will be added in step 6. In the step 6, we will again use the I cross I method. I have shown you all the 7 steps earlier, how we use every step. In this step 6, I am going to show how I had applied the crisscross method. 2 into 0. Okay. 2 into 0. Then 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Then 1 carried over. Okay. 1 carried over of the step 5. So 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. And 1 carry over. When we add 0 plus 3 and 1, it comes out to be 4. It comes out to be 4. So I have written here 4. In the last step 6, what is I formation? I formation. 3 2s are or 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. So I have written 6 here. Hope you understand the answer of multiplication. 21043072 comes out to be 884346. The correct answer is this. If you want some more questions of crisscross method part 1, part 2, part 3, please tell me in the comment section. I will give you more practice of crisscross method part 1, part 2, part 3 with examples. So hope you understand that crisscross method. There is much more to learn in the crisscross method. Keep on learning with Reena ma'am. I will come with next video of crisscross method. There is some more steps you have to learn. I will teach you every step and every point of Vedic maths, including all the topics. I will not left any point. So follow me on World of Science and Maths, Vedic Math by Reena ma'am. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my videos. Support me. Bye-bye.